the last 3 years of their tenure, the previous government has constructed about 1100 kilometers of new rail lines, while our government has laid 2100 kilometers of rail lines in 3 years. The previous government in its last 3 years had electrified 2500 kilometers of rail lines, but this government in 3 years has electrified more than 4300 kilometers of the rail lines. Optical fiber network dash. Now you will say that this plan was conceptualized by us and we should get the credit for this. What was the way of working that you had adopted? You believed in partisan politics. Between 2011 and 2014, you could spread the optical fiber network in only 59 panchayats. After getting elected, we have provided it to more than 1 lakh panchayats in such a short span of time. On the one hand, we have less than 60 villages in 3 years, and on the other hand, more than 1 lakh villages in the same span of 3 years. These figures are far from comparison. The previous government has implemented the Shahari Awas Yojana in 939 cities, while today the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban is being implemented in 4,320 cities. Your figures are less than 1,000, while ours are more than 4,000. The previous government in their last 3 years had added only 12,000 MW new capacity of renewable energy, while more than 22,000 MW has been added by this government in 3 years. Shipping industry cargo handling was showing a negative growth, while under this government, this sector has shown more than 11% growth in 3 years. You would not have been in such a mess had you cared for the reality. I am happy that Kharge ji has mentioned these two things, railway and Karnataka. You mentioned about Bidar Gulbarga railway line. The country should know the truth. The Congress never mentioned this dash, not even during the inauguration ceremony. You should accept the fact that this 110-kilometer rail line project was approved by the Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji's government. Your government was in power till the year 2013 and you were the railway minister as well. It is your parliamentary constituency. After Atal ji's government, several years had passed and only 37 kilometers were constructed. Only 37 kilometer exclamation. Moreover, this little work was done under the initiative of Chief Minister Yediyurappa. He approved of the things demanded by the central government.